What's up, everyone? All right, day 3, Ketchikan, Alaska, on an Alaska trip. We did the Deadliest Catch Crab Adventure. Awesome trip. Got to see, of course, crab, but the eagles were amazing. And then, of course, we walked around Ketchikan itself and did some stuff there. So I did put the timestamps below, so you can kind of take a look at how the activities that we did. But just a great day in Ketchikan. So hope you enjoy. And with that, roll the intro. Yeah.
You're in Ketchikan.
Calling in the Ketchikan. Ooh, pulling in the Ketchikan. We're in Alaska. Look at how pretty. What's up, fam? Jenny, are you excited? Ketchikan, Alaska. Docked. Ready to go. Bering Sea Crab Adventure.
What type of boat are we on?
A Bering Sea crab boat.
That's you.
Woo, we're off.
Board right there.
Hey, let's get the fam.
Go away from that. Oh, for God's sakes.
Ketchikan. What you think? Oh, that's a big ship.
Can we go over there?
Look at this mural. Now, look at my man's happy. He about to get him a fish. This is a famous creek street, I guess. See any salmon? And that water's clear. You can tell this is tidal though. Oh, look at them faces. Oh, look at the humpbacks. That's the famous Creek Street we just walked. Pretty cool. We'll be coming back to the old Stony Moose.
That's a massive totem.
That's a massive totem pole, it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Ketchikan. Salmon capital of the world. The Rock.
It's a rock?
It's the
Is that
Rock.
what you said?
It's the Rock. It's actually kind of cool looking. How we doing?
Good.
Hey, welcome on board.
Welcome. Thank you.
How are you doing?
Look at that shrimp. Look at the shrimp.
This boat is the only boat I know of that's ever been abandoned, left for dead, to live another day in the Bering Sea. And then in 2006, when Discovery Channel brought a camera down to this boat. And they went out into the Bering Sea, and on the way back into Dutch Harbor, they captured a 60-foot rogue wave that knocked this boat completely onto its side. We got that one on film. And it righted itself and ripped the deck off and blew out windows and made a mess of the boat. And who has not seen that video yet of that huge wave that hits this boat? Sometime today, please, go back into that galley. And there's a TV on the wall. You check it out, okay? Yeah. If you guys were hoping to get a picture of an eagle in Alaska, this is where it's going to happen. Coverage time with nobody's at. Like Nate said. See if they're hungry? I don't know if you realize that you guys are seeing the best eagle show you can see anywhere in the world right here. To Alaska in the 70s, we've never seen this many eagles on the big net. We had a world-renowned eagle expert that came with us. Nice shot, Big D.
Yeah, Big D!
Yeah, Big D. Yeah.
Oh, Jenny with the crab!
One or the other.
Oh, it's cool looking. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Crab. Yeah, you can't get me, dog. Yeah.
Look at his face. Oh my God, he looks so good.
Mom, watch your fingers.
I know.
Oh, I got it.
Taking us out.
The ratfish. Yeah. Let me tell you what. That is the only fish in the ocean that does not get any diseases. Okay? We're studying this guy. He's got teeth bigger than a rat's. You don't find them.
Honey, now get me with a prawn. I want to eat this guy. I'm going to eat him.
Yes, that is amazing.
Now we're going to start calling these things golden king crab. The excited people would rather eat a golden crab than a brown one. Yeah! Alaska red king crab right there. I mean, it's aggressive. Now that is the giant Pacific octopus. Here you guys. Keep your eyes open here. Really, you guys are gifted.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Ooh, just finished the Deadliest Catch Adventures. Awesome. Need to do it if you ever get down here or get up here. Ketchikan, Alaska.
What?
Look, it was a creek. Ketchikan Creek. So now the tide's in. A little bit different now. Tied up. Finishing up Ketchikan. Got her totem pole. Got a ulo knife or something like that. Back to the ship. Hopefully we'll see some whales or something tonight like we did last night. But that Bering Sea thing was awesome. Awesome.
There you have it. Day 3, Ketchikan, Alaska. I could just sit there and watch those eagles all day. Just beautiful birds. Wonderful. Just a wonderful time on that Deadliest Catch Crab Adventure there in Ketchikan. So hope you like and subscribe. Make sure you do. Hit the bell. And we got more of the Alaska trip coming. So thanks for watching.